How do banks work? People use banks to keep their money safe or to borrow money to buy things such as homes and cars. Banks also lend money to people by providing them with credit cards. A bank is also a business, like a restaurant or a movie theater. Like any business, banks have to pay the people who work there. Banks also have to pay for things like electricity and internet service. Most important, banks need to make more money than they spend so they can stay in business. 1. You deposit money in the bank. 2. The bank loans your money to people so they can buy a house or go to college. The bank charges interest on the money loaned. 3. With the money it earns, the bank pays its employees and its bills, such as phone service. This diagram shows how banks work. 4. The bank pays you interest since it borrowed your money. With the money left over, the bank starts the cycle again. How do banks make money? When people deposit or put money in a bank, it does not stay in one place until they come back for it. Banks use their customers' money to bring in revenue or income. Banks make most of their money through loans. They lend people money and charge a fee called interest. See the box below to learn how interest is calculated. The exact percentage a bank charges is called the interest rate. Since the bank is borrowing its customers' money to make these loans, it pays interest to the customer on the money deposited. The banks make money by charging their loan customers a higher rate of interest than they pay to the depositors who provide the money. Calculating interest. To figure out how much interest is owed, you change the interest rate percentage to a decimal and use the following equation. Amount borrowed times interest rate equals interest owed. For example, if someone borrows $10,000 at an annual yearly interest rate of 5%, the equation would look like this. $10,000 times 0.05 equals $500. At the end of the year, this person would owe $10,000 plus $500 in interest.